Safety belt.
Say hi!
Yan pala yung nakikita natin, babe.
Pero nakakakaba.
So, it's just the four of us and we're very excited sa
Let's
nabook
go.
naming Airbnb because it is very affordable and maganda rin naman talaga yung place.
Wow. Hey!
Ngayon nila nakikita.
We are now here in our room. Yan, very simple. Hello! So we are now here in our room. Sala Loft. Ano ba yung kasunod nun? Sala Loft.
Sara Lobes, Manila.
Nakalagay. Sala Loft. So Sala, from the word from the Bible, yung Hebrew word sa Bible that means to pause, ganyan.
Yes, Sara
So,
Lobes, Manila.
yeah, nagulat kami kasi ano rin talaga, parang Christian yung may-ari kasi meron ding Bible.
Yeah.
May Bible sa room, tapos meron ding parang maliit na ano tawag dito, parang
Pamphlet?
booklet,
Yeah.
pamphlet. Tapos merong parang sharing the gospel, 'di ba? May illustration doon. So, nakakatuwa. Yun lang, guys. See us tomorrow
Fighting.
for the race for life.
Yes.
Ayan, samahan niyo kami. Bye!
Ayan o, mag-gym na yan o.
May gym nga.
Mag-gym ka na, Ben. Ay, di ba?
Hello, guys. Picture tayo. Video to eh. Ha?
Yung may deep, gano'n. Okay.
Hey guys, so this is the day of the Race for Life day. Here we go! Let's go! Let's run! Hi there! Ay!
At ngayon, maghihintay tayo ng matagal para makatapos.
Hey guys, we're now down to 2K. 2K yan pala. 8 more to go. Sige, ako 2.79. to go. Let's go! Finish line is here. Let's go! Magre-review tayo. Good morning, guys. Tingin ka naman dito. Hi. Ah. Hi. Hey guys, today is August 20 and it's currently 4:22 in the morning. Magbe-breakfast na kami ni Mama. Say hi ka naman dyan, Ma.
Hi. Hi guys. Good morning.
Kain na tayo.
Hi!
Happy nga bakit?
Hey guys, so today I'm going to a coffee shop and then later on I'm gonna go to Unibrandy to check some, I don't know, siguro mga damit. But yeah, here's what I got. Not the polo, but this jacket. I love this. I love the color. I decided to buy this one because I think na magagamit ko to for my jogging.
Uy! Kami ng kamay mo. Kamay. Ito si Big Boy. Ito si Dampol. Para ka mo sa kulungan. Hey guys, I'm with my sister. And we're going to have a date. A sister date. So, pero before tayo mag-coffee shop together. So, medyo shy siya. Mag-ano muna kami, maghanap kami ng ukay. Yun lang. See you there. Hey guys, yung red na mascot dyan ang nahabol. There's my sister. Ito ka naman. Ayaw niya magpakita. Pa-mysterious yung sister kong yan. Say hi. Hi guys. Hi guys. We're here sa band room.
Ay, mga kabanda.
Oh, grabe. Grabe.
It's twice. Hindi ka nakasaksak. Saan ka nakasaksak?
Hi, Zafir! Ay!
Nasusnado ka nito.
Zafir!
Intro natin to.
Bye-bye! Alam, pinanood mo yung vlog ko. Hi guys, so today we're going to have our VG. Hi guys! Hoy, nandito. Hi guys! So, I'm here with my friends, my ex-colleagues. Ex-colleagues!
Okay, wala lang ako sasabihin.
We're ready!
Babarilin na.
Tata. Video to, video! Ayan yung gagawin natin. Ay, dito na yun. Tama kaya tayo ng decision, guys. Video. Ano yan? Power Rangers!
Ay, Chinese Angel nga. Chinese Angel.
Chinese Angel!
Ano yan? Una, tagilid kayo.
Ay, ganun.
Tagilid kayo. Dito kayo sa kanila. Yan.
Oh, no, nakakatuloy tayo! Oy! Grabe, pinapatay nila tayo. Grabe ka. Grabe, dumadagsa na ang mga kalaban. Ayun na! And that's us.
Oh, third.
I'm a working girlie. Hey, hey, hey.
Hi guys, mag-grocery ulit kami naman. Thank you. September 8. Ay, ito na. Pagkasama ko si mama, kain ako ng kain. Nananaba na ako.
Wala naman.
Today is brace adjustment day. Ang fresh ko naman dyan. Parang hindi naman ganyan lagi. So yun, inulan tayo pero later mawawala din yan for sure. And then, ayun, nasa bus ako kasi papunta ko ng PGC dahil meron kaming ganap na mga ka-team ko. Diba, ilang oras yung biyahe ko but finally, I got here.